Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about Windows 11 22H2 or Windows 11 2022 update that was released today by Microsoft. This was a highly expected update and Microsoft has finally released it. We have the official announcement from Microsoft September 20th. Available today, the Windows 11 2022 update. Of course, you're going to have this link in the article below where you're going to be able to find what is new in this update, what new experiences you're going to be able to encounter, and so on. The purpose of this video is to show you how to install this update because this update will be available in 190 plus countries, but it will be slowly and gradually rolling out into Windows updates. And in this video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways of getting this Windows 11 update or installing it. Before talking about anything, please don't forget to leave a like below on this video and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. First of all, the classic method would be to open up the settings app and search for updates. Go into Windows Updates and then click on check for updates. As I've said, the update will gradually be rolled out to Windows 11 users, and after some time you will be able to see it into Windows updates. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, you will have it here, but I'm going to show you other methods and other steps that you can do in order to install it today. As you can see in this example, I'm on the main release and I don't get the update yet. I'm on the latest build, so nothing to worry about. I'm going to show you other ways of downloading the ISOs and installing Windows 11 22H2 or Windows 11 2022 update. You're going to have in the article below in the description this link where you can download the official Microsoft Windows 22 update or version 22H2. That's really nice. Just go into this link and you're going to have here 3 different methods. The first method would be the Windows 11 installation assistant. You can go ahead and download it from the first link out here, and this will update your Windows 11 version to the latest version, which is 22H2. Also, as an alternative, you have Create Windows 11 Installation Media. That Create Windows 11 Installation Media software will allow you to either download the ISO of Windows 11 22H2 or create a USB bootable drive with Windows 11 2022 update. And I'm going to show you the full process. You just have to accept the terms. You can leave here, use the recommended options for this PC, and then click on Next. Next up, you will need to choose which media to use. So for example, USB flash drive or ISO file. If you choose USB flash drive, you're going to have to select your USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space and empty, and you'll be able to create a bootable USB flash drive with Windows 11 22H2 or download the ISO. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to download the ISO. And then after you select ISO, click on Next, select the location where you want to download it, and the download process will start. Other things that you need to note about Windows 11 22H2 is that you won't have all the new features right away on your system. So for example, tabs in File Explorer won't be there right away because Microsoft will start to give users monthly updates for Windows 11 22H2, which will be called Moments. And for example, the next update is scheduled for the next month, which will bring up other new features to the 22H2 version, which I think is really interesting. And also the last method is to download the Windows 11 ISO directly. So you can just go in here, select the download, and then click on download, and you're going to have to select the language, of course, and also the version. I'm going to select English United States and then click on confirm, and then you're going to have the 64-bit version to download. You can click on it and the download process will start. As you can see, Windows 11 22H2 will start to download, and then you'll be able to create yet again a USB flash drive or install directly from your computer. So this is the video. Finally, Windows 11 22H2 is officially released to the main release of Windows 11. We've talked about this for months and months, and finally this is here. The rumors were true. 20th of September is the date that Windows 11 received the 22H2 version, and hopefully Microsoft will continue to work on this operating system and make it better and better. Don't forget that all the links and information will be in the article below in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.